Good morning. Sipping some iced coffee. And then I gotta rearrange travel products and pack up my medications. And we're gonna take showers and finish getting ready to go. Our ride's supposed to be here around 9:30 to go to the airport. So yeah. Iced coffee. It's coffee. I'm ready to seal up my carry-on luggage. Don't look at my address. It's not for you. It's for me. I collapsed it, but maybe I can uncollapse it. I don't know. I managed to. I'm an overpacker, but there's reasons behind it. There's a rhyme and there's a reason for every season, people. And I got the bags on here.
I wish I had bought
collapsed it.
Maybe I won't bring deodorant. And when we go to Target, I'll just buy myself a mini deodorant.
Yeah.
Because it's taken up two.
Right?
And mostly empty, so I'm carrying around a whole plastic.
Hunk of plastic. Around the world. So I gotta finish this. About to go finish my coffee, maybe have a shot of espresso. And we're vibing and thriving. Let me show you what we did last night to my oops, don't look at my laundry. My Disney t-shirt that I got on Etsy. My Disney t-shirt we got on Etsy. Don't look at my underwear. It's a little wrinkled, but I got this to wear on the plane. And Daniel got his. Did he remember to wear his? Daniel, are you wearing your Disney t-shirt?
No.
You're supposed to wear it. Did you pack it?
Yeah. It's in my...
I was gonna wear mine.
Well, I figure we're going to be spending the whole day, like, in the airport and crap, so...
Well, at least don't wear green with you.
Yeah.
That's kind of green.
I'll wear it tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, my pants keep falling down though.
Disney Vacation 2023. I can't believe I don't even feel like we're going. I should. I'm just like... It was like a dream come true. Cousin Jackie was like, what do you want to do for your birthday? You want to have a party or do you want to go on vacation? Vacation? Yeah. Yeah, I got these on Etsy. I know it's a little wrinkled, but I don't care. I mean, cropped it. It's a little messy, but when you wash it, it'll probably be a lot better. I might trim this piece, though. I don't care. Look how I dented this. Can you see it? I opened the expander thing. And I can't get it to close. So, I don't know how I'm gonna bring everything back. But we will. Still gotta add some things to it before we get there. And, yeah. Getting ready to go. This is the wreath that my mom got us. That's not the one that I made.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yours is in your
Oh. Our ride's here. Daniel said the guy's wearing a suit. Alright, it's time to get going. Cab's here. Oh, you changed the wreath.
Yeah.
Pretty. That's what they call it.
Okay. Oh, is that one of the curbside things?
Yeah, something. You gotta look for the United one. Yeah. What? Security. It's fancy. We made it through security. And we're about to head to chill for a bit before we take our flight. Because we're fashionably punctual and early, thank God. Our chauffeur did such a good job.
Wasn't he driving a little slow, but we made it.
Yeah, but we still made it in good timing.
Yeah.
I thought. Our chauffeur. Well, that's what the text message said. Our chauffeur. Fancy, huh?
I didn't like the smell of the car.
Really?
But
I couldn't tell. NBC.
I'm ready.
It's so pretty. And there's trash. Oh my god. I might want to go there.
Oh wait, no. Down there.
Oh my god, they have Mac.
Go to the bathroom first, I'll watch your stuff and then...
I'll go to Mac. And I'll buy some brown.
Orlando, ladies and gentlemen. The local time here is 3:38. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're staying in the exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check.
It's Christmas in Orlando. Yep. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that one's yours.